Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the molecular geometry of silicon tetrachloride. It has a chemical formula of SiCl4, and for that, we'll look at its Lewis structure first. While determining the molecular geometry of any molecule, the configuration of central atom plays a very important role. So we must always note down the number of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom. Here, central atom silicon is forming 4 single bonds with 4 chlorine atoms, and there are no lone pairs of electron on it. If we look at the structure in 3D, we can see that the structure of SiCl4 is tetrahedral. Let us confirm that by referring to this table. Here, A stands for central atom, X is the number of atoms attached to the central atom, and N is the lone pair of electron. We have silicon as central atom, there are 4 chlorine attached to it and no lone pairs, and that gives us a formula of AB4. And that refers to the tetrahedral shape with bond angle of 109.5 degrees and sp3 hybridization. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.